Once again, Pakistan plays with fire, and Balochistan pays the price. Pakistan's Shaheen-3 ballistic missile test fails spectacularly, crashing near a village in Dera Bugti. Technical faults may have brought it down, but Pakistan's carelessness keeps bringing Balochistan down. Balochistan still bears the scars of Chagai's nuclear wounds. And now, history repeats itself. From radioactive fallout to missile wreckage, why must Baloch lives be test targets? Pakistan's missiles may fall, but its indifference falls harder on Balochistan.